In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on All Apps. This is where you can access different tools and features connected to your QuickBooks account. If you're not already familiar with this area, it's a useful place to know because it helps you navigate to project-related tools more quickly in the future. Once you're in All Apps, select Projects. This section is designed to help you organize work by client, job, or agreement, and it gives you a simple way to keep related activity grouped together in one place. If you're creating contracts for tracking purposes, this is where the setup begins. After that, click New Project in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the setup window where you can begin entering the information for the contract or job you want to track. Take your time here because the details you enter will help keep everything organized later on. Now enter the project details. Depending on your setup, this may include things like the project name, customer information, and any other basic fields QuickBooks asks for. Make sure the information is accurate and easy to recognize, especially if you'll be managing multiple projects at once. Clear naming can save time and reduce confusion later. Once the project is created, you can begin adding transactions to the project. This is an important part of the process because it allows you to connect financial activity directly to that specific contract or job. Keeping transactions attached to the right project makes it easier to review costs, income, and overall progress in one place. Next, click Add to Project at the top right. This option lets you link new activity to the project you just created. When you select it, QuickBooks will guide you to the available transaction types you can add. Then select the transaction and enter its details. Be sure to fill in the necessary information carefully so the transaction is recorded correctly under that project. Accurate entries will make your reporting cleaner and help you stay organized as the project moves forward. And that's it. Once your transaction has been added, your project is set up and ready to use inside QuickBooks Online. This is a simple way to create and organize contracts through the Projects feature while keeping everything tied together in one convenient location. That's all.